We are doing the final welding of the back panel. It's been custom cut to fit right in there nicely enough, and what you're seeing are a bunch of clamps that are holding it on, and he's doing some spot welding. Again, the spot welding is done in sections, so that way we're not overheating and warping this vast expanse of steel, which is really not vast considering, but it's big enough so that you could warp it. So he's going through and carefully spot welding it in sections. So we'll kind of sit back and watch that process right here as he goes ahead and welds. So just do this around the whole perimeter and then keep on filling in the spots. It's a little time consuming. Ultimately it gives us a much better weld, and then obviously I'll come back, show you the final product, and also show you the grinding of all these welds down. When it gets done, it'll be very smooth and you'll barely even know it was done.